Now, how do you target low bid keywords? Okay. The purpose of targeting low bid keywords is to go after single keywords. If you're going to use a phrase, then it has more competition, but going after single keywords, that is where you can see a lot of profitability. Okay. So how do we target low bid keywords? So first thing is we can look at the Cerebro report. We can see from Helium 10, which is our main keywords. Now, generic keywords like cutting, board, boards, kitchen, these are the main generic keywords. The highest the relevancy the keyword, you want to keep it as cheap as possible. And take my word for it, sometimes low bid campaigns can make you so many sales that even the highest search volume keywords won't be able to do for you. Okay, so you can always use the strategy of going from low search volume. You can even do this the other way around. You can go from the highest search volume keywords, and then from there you can take this. You can take the highest search volume keywords, copy all of them, or you can take this export right here. It's going to give you a list of all the keywords, and you throw it under low bid broad, low bid phrase, low bid exact match, exact at 45 cents and under. You can even do fixed bid. Fixed bid works very good when it comes to low bid campaigns. You can do that. You can also do category targeting, like I told you. In the past, you can go category targeting, put them into Frankenstein, put them under single keywords, and target them as a low bid. You can go after reviewed keywords, put them as a low bid. You can do things like anything that converts, okay? Anything that converts into a profitable return, that's your magic keyword. Then go a bit aggressive on those keywords. Try to get Amazon Choice Badge. Once you get Amazon Choice Badge or bestseller badge or any kind of badges from Amazon, you want to maintain your relevancy with that keyword phrase. Because the way Amazon works is, if any of these listings over here as an Amazon Choice Badge, to the buyer, to the client, it means it is a very good product. But from the seller's point of view, you are basically bidding aggressively to hold that position in place. So that is the difference between that. And if you get a good, look, if you get one Amazon Choice keywords, amazing. You get 10 of them, even better. You get 100, 500 of them, you don't need PPC. PPC is just a way to push more sales. You get an Amazon Choice keyword, push it through PPC. You're ranking organically from it and push it through PPC. So you have double and triple the amount of sales coming in. And that is how you're going to make money on Amazon. All right? Very simple stuff. I hope you guys understand. All right. See you in the next lecture. Bye-bye.